In this video you will learn about numeric types in Python. The first one that I'm going to show you is int or integer. It's a whole number, can be positive or negative, always without decimal, and with unlimited length. In every variable you have one example, and now if we print the type we can see that everyone will be int. This because each number is integer, I mean don't have decimals. This case is a little different than the previous one, because float or floating point number is a number that contains one or more decimals. This can be positive or negative too. If we print the type of every variable, we'll see that are floats. This because every one have decimals. You need to be careful when you are writing this number, because if instead of point you use comma, the result will be different. I mean the type will be other. Not everyone uses complex numbers. These are used in many applications related with mathematics. For example, an electrical circuit which is defined by voltage and other calculus. Python provides useful tools to manipulate them. If you print the type, will be complex because you are using the syntax to create it. You can convert from one type to another with the int, float, and complex function. To do it, you only need to use this syntax, and the integer will be immediately float. As a result, you can see that the number 2 now have decimal. This case is similar to the another one, the difference is that you need to use different syntax. You can see that we had the variable L with decimal, and later in the result was without decimal. To do it, you only need to use the syntax like before. If you are wondering how to convert a complex number into another number type, I need to say that it's not possible.